So you might be in a situation where for some reason live activity is just not working on your iPhone. Now, what does this mean? Well, live activity is that one thing on your device that sometimes if you have the dynamic island, sometimes it may not be working, and sometimes those live activity things may not be working within your dynamic island. Now, in order to actually fix this problem, the first thing I would recommend doing is making sure you have your notifications set up properly within your device. So what you can do is you can make your way over to your settings application on your iPhone, and from here, you want to scroll down until you see notifications. So find that notifications panel. You want to go and open it up. And what you want to do is you want to make sure all these applications that you're currently using, let's say it's like Uber or Apple Maps or whatever, those applications you want to make sure you have the notifications on, but you also want to make sure you have live activity on if that specific device, that specific application requires it. So just go through here, find those particular apps that are giving you issues, and make sure you have live activity enabled within those specific ones. Now, on top of that, as you can see with my iPhone 15, I have that dynamic island up top. That basically means that with my dynamic island, as you can see, I have that hardware. If you have an iPhone like an iPhone 13 Pro or an iPhone 14 or an iPhone 11, those iPhones do not have that dynamic island. So because of that, the live activities are just not going to notify you because those things are just not working. Now, if you also have on your lock screen the live activity little option at the bottom, now that is also another thing that may be updated, but because these specific iPhones require certain versions of software, you have to also make sure you're on iOS 17 or newer or iOS 16 or newer to even have live activities. So make your way back into your settings application, scroll over until you see your general option, which is right here. Scroll back up here and click software update. What I'd recommend doing is once more time, just going through and updating your iPhone. That's another thing that can potentially end up fixing the problem too for a lot of people. Now, if that's still not working, finally, another thing I recommend doing is just restarting your phone. So find the buttons that you would normally click on to restart your device, go ahead and restart it, and that might end up fixing the problem. Finally, if that's still not working, try finding that application that's giving you issues. So in this case, let's say it's like Instagram or something, go ahead and update that specific application, and that's another thing you can do to pretty much fix this problem. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.